Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this corded ultralight Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro. So I think this is our third or fourth Shark vacuum. Pretty happy with these. They have a 5-year warranty and it's legit because we had one, we use our vacuums a lot. Advanced swivel steering, duster crevice, upholstery tool, hard floor hero, 5-year warranty. So we've had some issues with them before. Not really the vacuum's fault, just because we use them so much, but they do have a 5-year warranty. So Shark's been super, probably one of the best companies as far as customer service that I've ever dealt with. I mean, if we had something that didn't, we had the vacuum probably for 4 years and we had an issue with one and they pretty much just sent us out a brand new one. So they are a really good company, excellent customer service. So here is a floor attachment here. This works great for hard floors. We have concrete floors here, as you can see. So we use this a lot. All right, so here is, this is the extendable, or not the extendable, it's the wand attachment. Here we have just some stuff there. Here's the carpet cleaner. Some nice bristles there. Actually works really good on carpet. We have a few rugs and stuff and use that on there. And it's not super wide, probably 9 inches maybe, but it's effective. So it cleans really good. We've had really good experience with our vacuum cleaners. So here's that. Let's just get everything out here. All right, so here we have just a wall mount. So you can screw this in anywhere on the wall and then it hooks up right here. It's just like set it on the wall and it can hang there like that. So it's kind of cool. We use ours, we got one installed in the closet. Here's a upholstery one. Works good for couches and stuff like that. Got some pet hair. Now this one, so this one works really good. Just had a couple issues. We use it so much that sometimes this part doesn't. That you're pushing and you're cleaning like this and this part won't hold, so we've ended up like just taping this down because we don't really use it without that. But if you want to make it into a crevice tool, that part can go down too. So all right, here is the attachments too. So if you want to put one of your attachments on there while you're vacuuming, you can have it on there like that. So we don't use this a whole lot, but it's a nice way to keep your tools with you if you need to. All right, so here is the motor, the vacuum part, and this has a nice light on there. Go ahead and plug this in here. Okay. Oh, that's not a plug-in. That's a plug-in. Okay. So this has a filter in here to clean. It's important to keep this clean. Oh. So this is new. Our other vacuum, it had a bigger one, so this foam part would go all the way around. This one as well went all the way around this part. So this is a new feature they have. Or I don't know, I guess our other vacuum is probably about 4 or 5 years old now. And so this is kind of a different thing they're doing there. So a smaller filter area, but it filters very well. Okay, that's how you take that out. So to remove your dust bin, just squeeze these right here and pull it out. And super easy to clean. Push this button right here, that pops open. All your dust falls out. If there's hair, sometimes it gets wrapped around that part. You just pull it out. It's super easy to clean. You can rinse it out with water, let it air dry or whatever, and then pop it back in here. So, all right, let's fire this thing up here. So it's not really loud, but it does. It does a really good job of cleaning. The attachments are easy to put in, just a snap really. And to remove it, just press the button and take it out. If you want to change it to another one, these just slide on there like that. Put that in. If you want it extended or whatever for blinds or something high up, you can do that. Or you have your floor attachments. So this one, it's easy to get down underneath. So you got the bed here, whatever, it goes down. Easy to steer. You can just turn it right or left if you want to. Works really good. The light's kind of nice, so if you go into the bed or something like that, it actually, let's see if you guys can see that. Puts out quite a bit of light under there, and that's just one little light on there. If you have the we're using the floor attachment here, like this. So this has 2 stages right here on the the power button. So one off, and then one is just going to activate basically just the vacuum here. Your rollers are going to go, but they're not going to have a lot of power. Right there, you can see. And when you turn it to the second one, then you can hear that it activates that motor down there for some actual power. So these have an additional light up front there. You got a bunch of LEDs, and combined with this light here, it puts out quite a bit of light. And sometimes you just don't want to turn on the light when you're vacuuming, and this puts out a sufficient amount of light. We can kind of see where you're going, so it's pretty cool. The carpet part, if it gets stuck, it has an automatic brush indicator light. This will go off and it'll tell you if it sucks up something, like it'll grab a carpet or something, and that'll come on. It'll stop automatically, so that's pretty cool. To release that carpet cleaning one, just push right here. That comes out, and same thing with this. You just push this button, pops it out. Now if you want just a short one, it also works right here too. So if you're just doing some quick cleaning, same thing with this, it still works even if you don't have that extender in there. Put your foot here. Just like that. So as far as vacuums go, I really recommend this one. I've had it, like I said, we've had quite a few of these, and Shark's customer service is second to none. They stand by their 5-year warranty, pretty much no questions asked. We've had probably a couple issues, is not really the vacuum's fault, but with just when we put up the cord, we tend to wrap it around here like this. And over time, over years, it'll maybe get a little bind in that. So another way to do it is to just turn the cord like this and kind of make gentle loops and then loop it over the top or whatever. This also has the cord thing right here. So if you were going to hook storage. It says hook storage here. That's interesting. I've never noticed that before. I guess you could store this on a hook too, hang it from there like that. But anyways, let's have a, where's the other cord part? Oh, okay. I was like looking for that. So another way you can put the cord on here is loop it like a regular vacuum cleaner. It loops over here, over the top and down over this like this. Loop the cord around. You want to release it, you can just do that to get it off there. So we actually use this one, so it'd be nice if this one had like a hook on there too, like that, because obviously we don't have a lot of carpets here, pretty much just concrete flooring. So back to the vacuum cleaner. It's got decent power. Yeah, we use them a lot, probably average of an hour, half hour a day, pretty easy, pretty consistent, maybe an hour. So a lot of vacuuming is done, and these things work really good. We just had, I don't know how old the other one is, but finally it's kind of given up the ghost. We'd switch it to on, and it would just have the light would come on, and if you hit it a couple times, the motor would start running, and it's kind of electrical smell, but when you run these things as much as we do, and sometimes you stand them up and they've, next to the wall or something, they fell over. So it's been kind of through the ringer. No fault of the vacuum cleaners at all. These things under normal usage are going to last you many years, just from experience. So they work great. The attachments are functional, easy to take in and out. If you're looking for a lightweight vacuum cleaner that's got plenty of power, that's easy to switch out the dust, it's got a nice long cord, has plenty of distance. I would say 15 to 20 foot cord, probably at least. Well, I can measure it, I guess. So 5, 10, 15, 20, maybe it's a 25 foot cord. So it's a long cord, able to go pretty much anywhere you needed to go. So super happy with this. And if you buy one of these, I'm pretty sure you won't be disappointed. So thanks for watching this unboxing / review. Like I said, we've had these for a while, and super happy with them and Shark's customer service. So all right, guys, we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. I'm going to try to link this down below in the comment or the description. And I am an Amazon associate, so that helps out if you guys click the link and get something from Amazon there. So, all righty, take care. GoPro, stop recording.